Example number 11. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Midpoint form. First given points a 3, 0 minus minus 1, 4 minus 1, minus 1, 4 midpoint. The midpoint equal to the midpoint coordinates of m or midpoint, coordinates of p, coordinates of q, anyone take, coordinates of p equal to or coordinates of m equal to midpoint of a, b. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, x1 3 plus minus 1, 3 plus minus 1 by 2, y1 0 plus 4 by 2, plus into minus, minus 3 minus 1 2 by 2, 0 plus 4 4 by 2, 2 ones 2 twos, 2 by 2, 2 ones 2 ones, 1 comma 2. Yes, here 1 comma 2. Example number 12. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are. Centroid formula is the coordinates of centroid g equal or direct to centroid g equal to, right? Direct to centroid g equal to centroid denoted by g. First a x1 y1, b x2 y2, x3 y3. Substitute values x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. x1 3 plus x2 minus 7 plus x3 10 by 3, y1 minus 5 plus 4 minus 2 by 3. Here 10 plus 3 13 minus 7. Next minus 5 plus into minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. 13 minus 7 6 by 3. Here negative adding minus 5 minus 2 minus 7, minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus 4, minus 7 plus 4 minus 7 plus 4 minus 3, 3 ones 3 ones, 2 comma here minus 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 1. Example number 13. In what ratio, required ratio, this is the required ratio, does the point minus 4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points minus 6, 2 points here. This is the AB. This is the divide point P. Divide the point. Which ratio? M1 is to M2. Find M1 is to M2. Required ratio M1 is to M2. Given points A, x1, y1, b, x2, y2. Divided by the point P. Divide the point P. This is the P. P minus 4, 6. P divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. Internally, write formula. P equal to P of x, y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here substitute values m1 plus m1. Find these values m2 plus m2. Already divided point minus 4, 6, minus 4, 6. This is the divided point. Minus 4, 6 equal to m1 plus m1 x2. This is the x2 3 x2 value. This is the 3 plus m2 plus m2 x1 minus 6 by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m1 y2 minus 8 plus m2 plus m2 y1 10 by m1 plus m2. 3 into m1 3 m1 plus into minus 6 m2 by m1 plus m2 minus 8 into m1 minus 8 m1 10 into m2 10 m2. Comparing on both sides already complete. If x comma y equal to a comma b, if x comma y equal to a comma b, then x first coordinate, second coordinate, y equal to b. This is the condition. X coordinate, x equal, y equal 3m1 minus 6m2 by m1 plus m2. This is the first x coordinate, this is the x coordinate, equal minus 4, that equal to minus 8m1 10m2 by m1 plus m2 equal to 6. X coordinates, y coordinates equal. Comparing on both sides. This is the first simplification. This is the minus 4 into m1 minus 4m1 minus 4 into m2. This is the by becomes into minus 4 into m2 minus 4m2. Next simplification. M1s are one side, m2s are another side. 3m1 minus 6m2 minus 4 into m1 minus 4m1 minus 4 into m2 minus 4m2. 3m1 minus 4m1 becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Here minus becomes plus, minus 4m2 plus 6m2. Here 4 plus 3 7m1 plus 6 minus 4 plus 2 m2. m1 by m2. Here m1 by m2. Here into becomes division. 2 by 7 into becomes by 2 by 7. m1 is to m2 equal to 2 is to 7. This is the same. This one or this one, n1 take. m1 is to m2 already required. This is the required ratio. m1 is to m2 equal to 2 is to 7. Second condition. Minus 8m. This one or this one take. Both are same. Minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2 equal to 6. 6 into m1, 6m1, 6 into m2, 6m2 plus m1s are one side, minus 8m1, plus becomes minus, here plus becomes minus 14 m1, minus 10 plus 6, minus 4 m2, here minus, here minus cancel, m1 by m2, here 4 by 14, 2 2s, 2 7s, m1 by m2 equal to 2 by 7. m1 is, this is the required ratio. This is the required ratio. Next, try this problem. Problem number 1. The points, 3 points A, B, C are vertices of a triangle. Triangle vertices. If the centroid of the triangle is origin. Origin means 0, 0. Find x, y. Here given in x, y. Find x, y. Origin, centroid of the triangle G equal to 0. Origin means O. O means 0, 0. Origin means 0, 0. Coordinates. Given vertices are points A, B, C. A 2, 3. B x, y. C 3, minus 2. Centroid G equal to O. Origin means 0, 0. Coordinates. Already centroid given. Find x, y. Already before centroid x1 plus x2 formula. Now centroid given. Centroid G equal formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is G given. G origin. Origin means 0, 0. x1. This is the x1, y1. x2, y2. x3, y3, x1 2, x3, x2, x3 3 by 3, y1 3 plus y plus minus 2 by 3, 2 plus 3 5 plus x by 3, 3 plus into minus 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 1 plus y by 3. Comparing same already. If x, y equal to a, b, then x equal to a, y equal to same. First one equal. 5 plus x by 3 equal to 0. Here 1 plus y by 3 equal to 0. Same. First two x coordinate equal, y coordinate equal. By na becomes into 0 into 3, 0 into 3, 0, 0 into 3, 0, 0 into 3, 3 into 0, 0. 5 plus 6 equal 0. Here 1 plus 5 equal to 3 into 0 0. X is equal to minus 5. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. The required point equal to minus 5 comma minus 1.